Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. In this short guide, you will learn how to get paid by mobile money, straight to the wallet on your phone. It takes about 2 minutes to set up. Let's get started. In your vendor menu, under Seller Tools, click Mobile Money Payouts. This is where you tell Resogra which mobile wallet should receive your earnings. Here is how it works. When a buyer receives their order and confirms it, Resogra sends your money directly to your mobile money wallet. No bank account needed. If you prefer a bank account instead, the payouts page in the same menu handles that. First, choose your country from the list. We picked Cameroon for this example. The moment you choose a country, the operator list below updates to show the mobile money services available there. Next, pick your mobile money operator. This is the service your wallet runs on. In Cameroon, for example, you can choose MTN MoMo or Orange Money. Pick the one linked to your phone number. Now type the phone number linked to your wallet. Start with your country code and leave out the plus sign. For example, 237, then your number for Cameroon. Double-check every digit. This is the number your money will be sent to. Finally, click Save Settings, and you are done. You can come back and change your country, operator, or number anytime. From now on, your earnings arrive right on your phone. And that's it. Your mobile money payouts are set up, and your earnings will arrive straight in your wallet. Thanks for watching, and visit Resogra.com for more free vendor tutorials.